Morning everyone. Previous class we explained what is a transversal and the types of angles when two lines intersected by a transversal. Then we already explained the types of angles: interior angles, exterior angles, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles on the same side of the transversal, or allied angles or co-interior angles. Okay, what is a transversal and the types of angles? Today we will study the properties of these angles when two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Listen. Line L and M. That is line L parallel to M. And N is the transversal. Then here form the angles. Different types of angles are formed. Okay. So here we have to study the parallel lines and the types of angles. Parallel lines and a transversal. Parallel lines and a transversal. Listen. M and N are two parallel lines, and N is a transversal. Here M parallel to N. Here form you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We already studied the names of these angles. Okay. When two parallel lines cut by a transversal, these angles have some properties. Today we will study the properties of these angles. Then in your textbook, page number 99, axiom 6.3. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. If two parallel lines intersect by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. You know which are the corresponding angles. Each pair of corresponding angles are equal. You know which are the corresponding angles here? Angle 1 and angle 5. One pair. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 5. And this side, next corresponding angles. Angle 4 is equal to 4 and 6. Here angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Then this side corresponding angles 2 and 8. That is angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Then corresponding angles 3 and 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. That is, when two parallel lines intersect by a transversal, each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Here 4 pairs of corresponding angles and each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Take your textbook, axiom 6.3. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. This is called corresponding angles axiom. Okay, when two parallel lines intersects a transversal, then they are formed of 4 pairs of corresponding angles and each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Here angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. This side angle 4 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. That is angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Here angle 2 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8 and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. That is called the corresponding angles axiom. Take axiom 6.3 in page number 99. Then conveys of this axiom, that is axiom 6.4. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Listen, if two lines intersected by a transversal, then one pair of corresponding angles are equal, then we have to say that these two lines are parallel lines. It is converse of the first axiom. If two lines intersected by a transversal, then one pair of corresponding angles are equal, then we have to say that these two lines are parallel lines. Also take that axiom, axiom 6.4, same page 99. Then theorem 6.2, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Listen, here we know m parallel to n, then two parallel lines intersects by a transversal, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Which are the alternate interior angles here? Angle 4 and angle 8 are alternate interior angles. That two angles are equal. And here angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Alternate interior angles. Okay? When two parallels intersect by a transversal, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. That is theorem 6.2. Then theorem 6.3, its converse. If a transversal intersect two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. If two lines intersect by a transversal, then one pair of alternate interior angles are equal. One pair of angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One pair of alternate interior angles are two pairs are here. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Then we say that these two lines are parallel lines. That is theorem 6.3. Then theorem 6.4. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same sides of the transversal is supplementary. When two parallels intersected by a transversal, then interior angles on the same side of transversal under name co-interior angles or under name allied angles. That is these two angles, co-interior angles on the same co-interior angles or interior angles on the same side of transversal. Angle 3 and angle 8 and angle 4 and angle 3. These two angles are supplementary. Supplementary means its sum is 190 degree. That is angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 190 degree and angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 190 degree. That is, if two parallels intersect a transversal, then co-interior angles are supplementary. Both interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Then what is this transversal? What is this converse? Next theorem, theorem 6.5. If two lines intersect a transversal, one pair of co-interior angles are supplementary, then these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so here we have to study two axioms and four theorems. First one is, if two parallels intersect a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 1 is equal to angle 6, angle 2 is equal to angle 8, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Okay, that is corresponding angles axiom. Then is converse next axiom. If two lines intersect by a transversal, then one pair of corresponding angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. The next theorem, when two parallel intersects a transversal, alternate interior angles are, each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. This converse theorem, if two lines intersect a transversal, one pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. Next theorem, that is theorem 6-4. If two parallel intersects a transversal, the coincident angles are supplementary, or allied angles are supplementary, or interior angles or same set of transversal are supplementary. That means angle 3 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree, or angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Is converse, when two lines intersect a transversal, one pair of coincident angles are supplementary, then these two lines are parallel to each other. These are the axioms and theorems based on when two parallels intersect a transversal. Okay, based on these theorems and axioms, we have to solve the next exercise problems. Okay. Then one more thing. Lines parallel to the same line.